on these two cards, I used it. For this one, I just used the bigger cloud stencil part. And on this one, I used the clouds and then also the grass. So the stencil comes with the four sides done. You've got big clouds, little clouds, hilly grass, and then a straight grass. So grab some ink. You can use blending brushes. You can use the handle with the foam pad. You can use Distress Oxides, Mementos inks, any kind of ink that you like to use. So I'm going to start out with the foam pad. And let's do these clouds here. So what you're going to do is you can come in and you're just going to go right along that line and brush them up and then pull it down a little bit. And then you're going to do the same thing. And then they kind of blend into each other. And then you can even change colors. So let's add a little bit of this blue. So it just gives you a layering look. Then we'll do the grass. Let's do the hilly one. And I'm going to use this green. And with these blending brushes, I like to just grab them and then put the ink on them. Instead of going like this over it, I just put the ink directly on it. See, and then you've got your grass, and then you can flip it over. Let's do a little bit lighter. Let's add a tiny little bit of blue to it too, to look like it's off in the distance. Isn't that fun?